marker pen to draw the Easter Bunny's long ears, which look like the word M. Then draw curved line like word C for the bunny's left face, and draw the mirrored C for the right face. Draw word L for bunny's one arm, and then draw another mirror one. Draw another word L for bunny's leg. Same step to draw the mirrored one, then connect them together. Finally, draw one circle to make the bunny's tail. The bunny's outline is almost finished. It's so easy to follow to draw it. Then draw one big circle on bunny's face for its left eye and double the circle. Copy the same step to the right eyes. Draw one word, D, but horizontally. The shape is bunny's mouth. Next, draw the bunny's beards. Add one heart-shaped outline on bunny's chest. Draw two little circles on the bunny's eyeball for the shining. Now, the Easter bunny's outline is finished. Easy! Draw the Easter bunny's best friend, little chicken. First, draw one heart for chicken's crest. Then draw one number 0 for its body. Draw two circles for its eyes. Draw one little triangle in the middle of the eyes. Draw 3 drops which are connected for the chicken's wing. Do the same steps for another side wing. Draw one more little chicken whose wing is held by the bunny's hand by hand, because they're Easter festival best friends. Next, to draw the squiggly line to trace the previous line, let the outline look wider. Now the outline of the Easter bunny and chicken is done. Use the pink oil pastel to draw the background fast and fast.
What? Oops! I've broken the oil pastel!
But don't worry, I can use the little part from the broken one. Though the little one is hard to hold it. This time I must need more patience. Don't break it again. When we finish the background, use the black marker pen to trace the Easter bunny and chicken's outline once more. To revise the outline which is covered by the oil pastel when drawing the background. Use the light sky blue and dark blue marker pen to fill in bunny's ears, face and body. Have to draw fast before the color becomes dry, which will be hard to connect to each other. Use light yellow and dark yellow marker pen to draw the Easter chicken's body. It is easier than bunny. Use light and dark pink marker pen to fill in the heart shape on Bunny's chest. Use orange and red color marker pen to fill the crest of the chicken. Brown and red for Bunny's and chicken's mouth. Black pen to their eyeballs. Leave the area of the shining. Use the dark blue marker pen to draw the dark part of the bunny's ear and body. It's easy to draw it. Use the dark yellow by the same steps to the chicken's body. It's now showtime for my secret weapon. White ball pen to draw the shining part of the eyeball. It can make the eyes look more vivid. Use the white ball pen to cover the black line of the eyes of the bunny. The last step. Don't forget to use the red marker pen to draw the dot on their cheeks. Now, the Easter bunny and chicken's drawing is finished. Easy way at the kids' side of the door!
Yes, hamster.
Huh?
I finished it.
Oh, it's so cute. Easter bunny and chicken. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
I love them too. Very cute.
I hope you enjoyed by following these steps from this video. It is easy. Oopsie daisy, I lost my mustache.
Don't forget to